Pretty full-on morning, but worked out all right in the end. I'll spin the camera around and show you sort of the work that went into making this happen. We had to machine our own hubs from scratch. We had to make our own extended wheel studs. They're 4140 chromoly and then heat treated. Doug at Gas Tech Machining Services takes care of us for all that stuff. And he's actually having a spell in hospital at the moment, so we wish him a speedy recovery. But that said, everything that we designed and worked on and came up with before we even had the wheels, we had the technical drawings of the wheels that we designed, all worked out absolutely perfect. And I am absolutely stoked with the way that they came up and how they're going to look on this 1948 Chevy truck that we're building into a mini prime mover race car hauler. And eventually, hopefully, Sue and myself, this will be our last hot rod when we're ready for a caravan and no more work. A long way off. But yeah, the work that went into it sounds simple, just we'll build a dually and put these big 22-inch Alcoas on there and get it all engineered and it'll all just be fine. Yeah, that was a mission. But it's what we do. And usually if people stick with us and see the process out, we have success and come up with a really good product. I reckon that'll nearly do for a Saturday. It's been pretty full on.